Kids Zone with Trishy. Spot's first Easter. The Easter Bunny has hidden some eggs for you, Spot. Come on, Helen, let's find them. How many eggs did the Easter Bunny hide? Shh, 6. Has Spot found the first egg? Yes. 1 egg. Now Helen has found one. So have I. 2 eggs, 3 eggs. Spot and Helen have found 3 eggs. Are there more? Yes, 3. What's behind the sack, Helen? Another egg. May I have it? Maybe some eggs are inside the house. Sorry, only cheese here. Has Spot found another egg? Go away. Spot, get off the table. Here's 1, Helen. 5 eggs. Just 1 more egg to find. You've found the last one, Spot. 6 eggs. Did you find all the eggs, Spot?
Yes, and we saved one for you. Happy Easter, Mom!
The Very Hungry Caterpillar's Easter surprise. On this very sunny morning, beneath the rainbow sky, sits a shiny Easter egg. Is another one hiding in the clouds? Let's see. No, it's a beautiful butterfly. Could an egg be snuggled in this fluffy rabbit's den? Let's see. No, that's just a tasty carrot. Time to try again. What's that above the flower bed, shimmering in the sun? Do you think it could be a big blue Easter egg? Let's check. It's an enormous Easter egg. Hip, hip, hooray! Well done. Happy Easter, Very Hungry Caterpillar.